the 2021 Ford GT Heritage Edition. Ford is once again reminding its customers that buying a GT is the closest thing to getting your hands on a piece of motorsport history thanks to a new special edition. It's called the Heritage Edition, of course it is, and it's a nod back to Ford's 1966 Daytona 24-hour Continental race win. What's the deal with the cool paint scheme, then? This exterior design is the modern interpretation of the original Ford GT's white, red, and black racing livery wore during the 1966 Daytona 24-hour endurance race, where the GT secured a 1-2-3-5 finish which would further spur the GT40 Mk2 to win at Sebring and Le Mans. That said, the 2021 Ford GT Heritage Edition flaunts a mix of frozen white, exposed carbon fiber, and race red accents on the front end, roof edge, and underneath the active rear wing. The 98 decal decorates both sides, and the treatment is completed by a set of 20-inch forged aluminum wheels and red Brembo brake calipers. By the way, the wheels can be upgraded to exposed carbon ones hiding black calipers with red Brembo lettering via the Heritage Upgrade package. Any goodies on the inside? You bet. Ford Performance wanted to make sure this is an all-round work. That's why sitting inside the cockpit will put you in connection to loads of Alcantara black on the instrument panel, headliner, and steering wheel rim, and red on the performance seats. By the way, they're still non-adjustable, so it's a good thing that Ford designed the steering wheel and the pedals to adjust to your desired driving position. The anodized paddle shifters are also painted red. Please tell me the powertrain has been boosted. Sadly, no. But rest assured, the twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is more than capable of pleasing your speed-induced adrenaline cravings. It's still good for 660 horses and 550 pound-feet of torque, and it mates to the slick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch box that sends power to the rear wheels. There's an upside to that, as well. The Ford GT remains livable with on a day-to-day basis, easy to drive, and not that punishing as you'd expect. For contrast, the McLaren Senna is way more harsh on your body than the Ford GT, so there's little room for complaint, really. Final word. Ford is still coy on pricing details for the GT Heritage Edition, but expect a spicy tag. America's only supercar is pretty expensive, and hard to get even if you have the money, as it is, so expect a price bump that goes beyond the $500,000 estimated sticker. We're told, however, that the 2021 Ford GT deliveries are expected to kick off in early 2021, with production eventually scheduled to halt for good in 2022. Claiming we don't envy those who got a Ford GT allocation would be one big fat lie.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.